So, guys, I start ride the scooter at 5 o'clock, okay? 5 o'clock. And right now it's 9 o'clock. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 9 o'clock. So, let's check how many volts we have. We have 56 volts, okay? Let's check the battery. We have, at first it was at 1 bar, now it jumped to 2 bar, okay? So let's put the light off and see. Yeah, so the light is off. Yeah. Yo, I know this guy. Holy fuck, yo. Yo, bro, yo, oh my god, yo. What's going on, bro?
What's going on, bro?
Everything good?
Everything good, dog?
Yes, sir.
Everything right now.
Yo, everything good, man. What about you?
Man, good.
Yes.
Looking good. Looking nice
bro.
right now, fam.
Good to see you, bro.
Nice right now.
Good to see you, bro. We outside riding, man. We just meet this guy.
What is this? 350? What is right here?
Yo, you know this guy?
What is right here?
Yo, we worked together for like 10 years, bro. Yeah, you worked in my company, yeah. Oh, you don't remember me? Holy fuck! Now he just remember who it is. Holy fuck!
That's funny.
Yo, no way, bro. You didn't... Yo, come on, bro. Yo, you didn't recognize it was me?
No, man.
Holy fuck, bro. Yo, man, it's me, bro.
Bro.
Yo, I know his dad, bro.
My dad, he knows my dad, man. He knows my father.
I'm working with his dad for like 17 years now, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yo, what are you doing, dog?
Riding, this is what I'm riding. No, it's too big for me.
What do you mean too big?
I ride in the small boy.
Bro, you always show me the bikes and everything, dog.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's a little picnic right here, man.
No, he's riding the big dog, bro.
No, dog. When we met, when I came to the block, he's a good guy, man.
Yeah.
Oh, my, what's homeboy's name, man? What's homeboy's name? Chubby guy.
Still outside riding, yo.
Yo, dog, you still riding, son?
Yo, we outside riding. Yo, the ride lit, man. Yo, we outside riding, guys. The ride is booming. Riding for about 2 hours now, outside. Yo, it's a machine, bro. It's fast, bro. We're outside. It's too nice to be inside, man. We're outside. Yo, Papa Wheelie, bro.
guys. Flying. One more. Woo. Yo, those guys are flying, bro. Yo, there's two of them, eh? They're fucking flying.
Yo guys, we've been outside riding, and now we're gonna get the hell out of here, man. Kick it, broski, kick it, kick it. Still outside riding, bro. The way how you go around this corner and lean like that, bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, I like to dolly still.
What? I could never ever ride that. Yeah, bring that part down. Yeah, go forward and go forward, go forward. Yeah, then bring that. Yeah, go forward a little bit. Yeah, try to get that part up. That part is tough. That's tough.
How did that happen, fella? Yeah, my tire gets slapped, so obviously. Now push it forward. Clutch in for me.
It's on the board.
You don't know which board. Well, send it back. Hold on. Send it forward. Forward. Alright, stop. Now send it back. No, forward, forward. Alright. Forward again. Oh, that one. Send it back. No, send it forward. Forward, forward. Forward, forward. Forward. Yeah, what the more? Should have already fucking. No.
Yo, shout out to Leo for the light, bro. Yeah, Leo, your light is working, bro. Your light is working, bro. That's crazy, bro. Yo, what's going on, bro?
Yeah, now I just have to move it behind one bolt. That's the bottom one.
Oh, Leroy, remember when that happened to yours?
Yeah, what do we do?
The one that got stuck.
Alright. One more. Send it forward. Forward.
Yeah,
Forward.
there you go.
Forward. Hold on. Backward a little bit. Alright, forward. Forward.
Yes, sir. We're up and running again.
Yo, how did it fall off?
It gets slack, that's why the tire gets slack.
Yo, what happened again, bro? What happened, broski?
How the guy's going?
Back.
It's on clutch. It's on neutral.
it's super loose.
Huh? It's not even behind the bowl. Like it behind the bowl, but that hole in it now there.
You just have to tilt it in a certain way for it to get a good angle. And then you can
This ain't my clutch go. All the time is the fucking bearing that fuck up the hub.
Yeah, the whole wheel is moving side to side.
Forward, down there.
Wait, you gotta put
I see what happening again.
What happened? It just fell off when you
Let's
riding
go,
on
man.
first? Or you switched it?
Switch to third.
Don't switch, fam. Stay. You have to stay on first or second, bro.
Yo, what happened against this?
Tire keeps moving.
What's going on tonight, Whiskey? Because the tire move, I can see it, you know? It leaves.
Yeah, it's shit.
Yeah, it shift, yeah.
But I have no tools to move it.
Oh, because the hub is broken, right?
the hub
That's right,
broken.
yeah. Round number 4.
Go forward, Gavin. Forward. Back. All the way.
Yo, how was it riding? Riding was booming, eh?
Oh fuck, it's not on this pocket. The front? Don't really matter, it's running smooth. Huh? Don't really matter. When it's not in his pocket? Yeah. You say that? You don't put it? Let's take it out, put it out there.
Yo, we've been riding for about 3 hours and take a look at my battery. See that we still have half a battery and riding in high-speed dual motor. 58 volts. Now when I started at 65. So look at that, guys. We have 58. The voltage is still strong. Although we have 2 bars of battery, the voltage is still strong. I start at 60, I'm not sure, it's 66. Yeah, I think 66. So we didn't lose a lot of volt. So that meaning this battery is really good in this scooter. But we're having some problem. This guy hub damage, his chain keep on falling off, guys. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can make the video with one hand and ride. I don't recommend this, okay guys? Don't try it at home, okay? What the hell? I don't recommend trying this at home, okay? Go, 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 go. So They're pushing the other guy because his bike can't ride. His chain keep falling off. So guys, take a look at this new light what I installed. Crazy, sick. Riding the scooter with one hand, okay? I'm just riding with one hand.